Oh yeah, another couple more months, they'll be ready to get at
They
it.
should be dropping some little ones here about. They should drop some little ones about. If they got bread.
We got a wild hog in the woods, which is ain't much different to
Same, basically the same.
He's going some wild hog more in the woods.
Yeah. They'll drop 2 or 3.
I mean, he's saying what he can get. He grows some pretty good tusk on him, don't he?
Well, you ain't gonna-
Even in the pain they will.
Yeah.
He's got tough colors, check him out. See the humps on the side of the face? On his mouth?
Yeah.
Ready them shoulders too.
Huh?
Them shoulders too.
That's one guy had one. Wano had one like that.
Yeah.
They called him Grump. They called him Grump. And he picked him up. He picked him up one day, pushed him aside, and bit him on the hand.
Yeah.
That's how something.
Yeah.
But he wasn't even quite that big. He felt like that was.
Yeah.
He used to live in the house up there. Wino.
Yep. And see, you can see the tusks on this bad boy.
Yeah.
Now, as soon as I'm sure these 2 are bred,
Yeah.
he ain't right. I watch him every day, see what they're gonna do.
Yeah.
He starts riding them again. I'll check them out, see if the snatch is getting swelled up, pink looking. As soon as if that's happening, I know they ain't been bred. So I gotta leave them in there till they breed. As soon as they're bred, I'll close him off.
Yeah.
I'll give him a half a can of food a day, just enough to keep him alive, keep him going.
Yeah.
And
We used to feed them like stuff you got there.
yeah,
Years ago, me and Dad would buy about a bag.
yeah,
And then we had some other stuff. We only had 2 of them.
yeah. I go up and buy this bulk feed.
Yeah.
Fills up, get those 800 pounds filled up, all 3 of those down there.
Yeah.
Come on, through, bud.
That's good.